Hi guys, Ryan here. Today we are going to talk about hashing algorithm, its methodologies and usages and its types. First of all, we are going to talk about what is hashing algorithm. A hashing algorithm is a mathematical function that garbles data and makes it unreadable. Hashing algorithm are one-way programs, so the text can't be unscrambled and decoded by anyone else. And that's the point. Hashing protects data at rest, so even if someone gains access to your server, the items stored there remain unreadable. Hashing can also help you prove that data isn't adjusted or altered after the other is finished with it. And some people use hashing to help them make sense of reams of data. Then how does a hashing algorithm works? It's possible to create an algorithm with nothing more than a chart, a calculator and basic understanding of math, but most people use computers to help. Most hashing algorithms follow this process. Create the message, which means a user determines what should be hashed. Choose the type, which means dozens of hashing algorithms exist and the user might decide which works best for this message. Then enter the message. The user taps out the message into a computer running the algorithm. Then start the hash, which means the system transforms the message, which might be of any length, to a predetermined bit size. Typically, programs break the message into a series of equal sized blocks and each one is compressed in sequence. Then we want to store or share to someone, right? So for that the user sends the hash, also called the message digest, to the intended recipient, or the hashed data is saved in that form. The process is complicated, but it works very quickly in seconds. Then the hash is complete. Then what are hashing algorithms used for? The very first hashing algorithm developed in 1958 was used for classifying and organizing data. Since then, developers have discovered dozens of uses for the technology. Your company might use a hashing algorithm for password storage, digital signatures, document management, or file management. And some of the hashing algorithms are MD5, SHA-256, then MD-5, SHA-256. And the most popular algorithms are MD5. In brief, this is one of the first algorithms to gain widespread approval. It was designed in 1991 and at the time it was considered remarkably secure. Since then, hackers have discovered how to decode the algorithm and they can do so in seconds. Most experts feel it's not safe for widespread use since it is so easy to tear apart. Then another popular algorithm is SHA. Algorithms in the SHA family are considered slightly more secure. The first version were developed by the United States government, but other programmers have built on the original frameworks and made later variations more stringent and harder to break. In general, the bigger the number after the letter SHA, the more recent the release and the more complex the programs. The another popular one is Whirlpool. In 2000, designers created this algorithm based on the advanced encryption data. It is also considered as very secure. Yeah, this is some of all about hashing algorithm. Then